Hello everybody, Duff Lampard, Executive Chef at the Metro Toronto Convention Centre. We're going to be cooking from home at the cabin today right now. We're going to run a bit of a series. For tonight we're going to be doing a Tuscan creamy chicken. It's a one-pan dish or one-pot dish, which is kind of nice. It's good comfort food, lots of great flavors, and kind of fun to make. So I'll run you through this. It'll be pretty short and sweet, have all the mise en place done, and let's get going. Thanks.
So we have our ingredients for the Tuscan creamy chicken. We have some Tuscan kale, fresh herbs, a little bit of cracked pepper, some artichokes, spinach, roasted red pepper, white beans, some grape tomatoes, cremini mushrooms, white wine, cream, chicken stock, a little bit of sun-dried tomato, garlic, parmesan, and that's what's going to complete our one-pot Tuscan chicken.
Okay, so we've got a hot smoking pan right now. We're going to put our chicken thigh in, skin side down, and get some real good caramelization on it. So this will take about 3 to 4 minutes to get a really nice caramelization on it. You want to have a nice crisp skin, even though it's going to be braised in the liquid. We're going to put it on top and nest it right on top of that, all these great ingredients, and it'll slightly braise as it goes and become more and more tender. So during this process, the skin is going to caramelize. We're going to get some really good flavors coming out, and it'll build the nice wholesome flavors that we're looking for in this dish. So we're starting to see the nice caramelization, that golden color on the chicken that we're looking for. So a couple minutes more, and we'll be good to go. Now we're going to add a little bit of seasoning. A little black pepper, a little bit of sea salt, nice fleur de sel. We're going to turn down the heat at this point. We're just going to take this off. So now we're going to add our mushrooms to a nice hot pan. Get them nice and caramelized. Add a little bit more olive oil. Back up a bit. And we're starting to build those beautiful flavors in the pan. Want to get a little bit of color on those. So we're going to add a little bit of pancetta. Let that caramelize up a little bit. Those flavors are starting to smell incredible. That's nice. You can just smell the caramelization that's happening in there right now. Now we're going to add some of our mirepoix. And all this is happening on pretty high heat. At this point, we're going to start adding a little bit of the kale. Add all the kale in there. Once that starts to wilt, we're going to actually put in the rest of the softer components. We'll take our spinach. Just let that wilt for a second. We're going to add our red pepper. Add our tomatoes. White beans. Sun-dried tomatoes go in. It's really starting to look good now and smell amazing. We're going to add our artichokes. Once those goes in, they're a little bit more tender, so we don't want to be moving them around too much. Just sort of fold those in almost. We're going to add some garlic. More. Just let that cook for a second. Now we're going to add our chicken stock. Some heavy cream. One of my old friends used to say, fat's flavor and flavor's your friend. So we're going to have a little bit of that in there. And it's starting to really come together now. See those beautiful colors. You've got your nice cream in there. I'm going to add some Parmesan cheese. Just fold that in lightly. And it's really starting to come together now. At this point I'm going to add some more pepper. And a bit of the sea salt. I'm going to take some of our herbs and just rub them in. Move a couple around, and then we're going to just put those right in top. And that flavor is just going to permeate this night as it goes and cooks through. We'll take our chicken, and we're going to place it on top. Turn down the heat, and now it's ready to go in the oven, and it's really that simple. So just a beautiful one-pot dish, you know, great flavors. The longer you cook it, it's the better it's going to get for the most part. So we're going to put this into about a 325 degree oven for around an hour and a half. I want to get the chicken up to about 160 degrees, and again, they're thighs, so they need to cook through, and as they cook, they're going to get more and more tender. So just an incredible dish. It's been fun cooking with you. Let's start. We'll be doing this, like I say, over the course of the summer. Thanks a lot. So here we have the final dish. Nice caramelized chicken on top. Sitting on top of your ragu. This is going to go into the oven for about an hour and a half or so. Cook the chicken up to about 160 degrees. With the braised chicken leg, it actually gets better as it cooks. So it's one of those dishes that actually gets better as it cooks in the oven, and it's pretty hard to mess it up in a lot of ways. It's one of those pretty forgiving recipes, but exceptional in its flavor and ease to make.